Alright, we got a $4 Amazon fire steel tool. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fire really fast. Gonna grab some coconut fiber. This is my favorite stuff. And I'm gonna go accidentally start a forest fire, hopefully not. So here I'm using a El Cheapo fire steel I got off Amazon. They come with a magnesium side and a sparker side, and basically what I'm doing here is to show you how well this works. I'm just sparking on dry tinder. You can also, if you would like to optimize your fire building technique, is you scrape the magnesium into a little pile onto your tinder and then you spark that and it will flare up. But as you can see, this works too. It really just depends on having good tinder, and like I said before, I absolutely love coconut fiber. Here we go, and I didn't start a forest fire.
Here we go. We have fire going.
Got it? Fire steel, a little bit more pain in the butt, but it works. So get some fire steel for your bug out bag, your truck, your camping kit, or whatever you need if you need to survive somewhere, because these can get wet, they can be old, and they will always serve you in the wild. And if Abraham Lincoln can do it, you can too. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment below.